Tivina panapa pictures ano yakatachiwa panapa nachimwana kudanjira chiti. This leaked document is a cabinet memorandum from Zimbabwe's Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Ziyambi. The process proposes democratic constitutional amendments with huge implications for Zimbabwe. These include having Emmerson Mnangagwa as a life president, because at 86, if he gets another 3 years in office after his term ends in 2028, he will be 92 years old in 2031. When I broke the story about members of parliament being given land in Mauborain to block any impeachment attempt and to assist the Zimbabwean dictator in securing a term extension, one that would also benefit the KUTI MP, Jonathan Moy, wrote a long article accusing me of misinforming and disinforming the public. According to this document, Mnangagwa and his surrogates plan to extend the terms of office for the president, parliament and councils by up to 3 years through a 2/3 parliamentary vote. This is why MPs were illegally given land. It is Greenway land, and the allocation was unlawful and had nothing to do with the 2013 land offers to MPs. They also want to remove Section 328(7), which currently prohibits the retroactive application of term limits amendments. This means they are attempting to remove a constitutional safeguard that prevents leaders from benefiting from changes to term limits after they are already in office, just like they did with the disgraced Zimbabwean Chief Justice Luke Malava. This change will allow the amendments to apply to current office holders, effectively giving Mnangagwa and the KUTI MPs a chance to benefit from extended terms. They also want to shift voter registration responsibilities from the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission to the Register of Deaths and Deaths. The direct consequences of this is the postponement of elections by up to 3 years, which of course is undemocratic. Stripping ZVAITWA of its voter registration mandate undermines the independence and integrity of the electoral process in Zimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.